I'm not even taking any pain medicine.
Tell me what you just said. What positive results did you experience from using medical cannabis in the past? How many months has it been?
It's been like 2 months?
2 months?
2 months now.
When you came to us, what was bothering you?
I had 25 surgeries in the last 10 years and been on pain medicine through the whole time. Sick and tired of being sick and tired of taking, pain medicine. And find out about the medical cannabis, and I said, let me get a shot. It doesn't hurt to try it. Ever since I tried it, the pain's gone down. I'm not even taking any pain medicine.
And how many were you taking when you started?
I was taking extended release, MS Cotton, and then for quick release, the Dilaudid. I was on Roxycodone, a bunch of medications, even psychological medications. I was on Effexor and Paxil. I'm still on the Effexor, but I'm not taking Paxil anymore. Also, I'm not taking Trazodone, which helped me sleep. Well, I have the medical cannabis, that's what you use that, and it relaxes my body. And
you're sleeping better?
Yeah, pretty much.
On a scale 1 to 10, what was your pain like when you came here without the medication?
Without medications, I was probably about an 8.
Yeah.
Sometimes we get up to a 10. Yeah, I think this is the right way to go. I'm happy with, the results so far.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's very valuable. Thank you so much.